Welcome to this quick video. I'm going to show you how to move a graph from Excel, where you're going to generate the graph, into Word or PowerPoint or any other program you want to move it to. So let's do a histogram of days of the week and the corresponding number of minutes spent watching TV. Go to Insert, and we're going to insert a bar chart. And let's go ahead and copy this chart. And you do that by selecting the chart, clicking anywhere on the chart, right click, and then you go to copy. And you have to be careful. If you right click in the portion of the numerical graphical display, so to speak, it's going to give you a different dialog box than if you copy on the actual area in which the graph is plotted. So make sure you're doing that, or you're going to get that error. Right click here, it gives you the option to cut, copy, paste. So if you don't want it here, we can actually cut or copy. If you cut, it's on your clipboard. Go to the Word document, you can right click and paste, and you have it there, and you're able to manipulate the shape and all of that. So that's how you move a graph from inside of Excel into Word or PowerPoint, where you might need the graph to be displayed. Thanks.